Wow, look at that. They packaged it pretty well.
Yeah, let's go unbox it.
Let's go. They did a pretty good job packaging this. So I ordered it, and like from the day they shipped it, it took about 10 days. So it was pretty fast. That's their website. They're on Facebook. And I guess all the spare parts fit in here too. That's pretty cool. Clips on there. On there. So
Yeah, we're gonna have to
here's the
build it.
spare drum head. No, this is the spare part. I don't think so. This is the big side. The spare one, I guess. Yeah. Yeah, it's just the spare one.
It's a box cutter.
And this is the spare ring for the big side. It holds drum head in place. So I'll put that to the side. And
Ooh.
this is the drum head. Not bad. So the difference between the Balar Mridanga and these Mridangas is that they have the kartala over here, this flap of skin. And some people call it the kinar. So this flap of skin is what gives you that sound. And they also made the drum heads a little bit bigger. So the Balar Mridangas have quite a small drum head on the small side. So that's nice. And comes with a cover here. Now this is a really interesting texture. So compared to the Balar Mridangas,
It's like soft.
it's smooth. So it doesn't, like, one of the problems that I had when playing Balar Mridangas or Tilak Mridangas is that one's fingers stick a little bit, which makes it hard to play fast. But this, somehow they got this material so that it's, I don't know what it is,
Yeah, it's like.
but it's smooth.
It's like super like.
Yeah, your finger doesn't stick to it. So that's really interesting. And then here's the big side. Wow. Did it come with the strap? Is there a strap in there?
No.
Okay. So, I don't know if this is the strap for the Mridanga and you gotta use it interchangeably. I guess they forgot the strap, so.
Wait, maybe it's in here.
Is it in there?
Yep. Found it.
Awesome.
There's like a secret. There's also a wrench in here. There's like a secret compartment or whatever compartment.
Oh, and it rotates a little bit.
And
there's a wrench. Okay. So another really cool thing here is that you can tighten the drum head with just by
wrench.
turning. Yeah, just having a
Like
wrench.
right here.
And so you can change the pitch to make it higher or lower.
It doesn't get out of tune, right?
Yeah.
Oh, this side. There we go.
Is that straight? Yeah, I guess so.
Here, can I see?
Okay, you called playing it first. Go for it. I would actually prefer if it was a little bit lower pitch. I want to see if I can tune this down lower. So this is actually pretty high pitch. Okay, so let's see what the bhajan style sounds like on the big side. Alright, so I'm going to try to tune this, see how low I can get it on the big side. And I'm just loosening these up just a little bit, just a hair.
Oh, wow.
Wow, it's already a lot lower. I don't know if I should lower it anymore, but let's see. Oh, that's good. Okay, so I loosened it up a bit. I just did like a quarter turn on each one. And they're already a little loose, but let's see. That's much better. That's really nice. So let's see how that sounds now. Alright, so overall, I really like the Mridanga. I highly recommended it. Before, in another video, Shameshri did. I'll leave a link in the description. And, I mean, one of the nice things about a Mridanga like this is that it's not going to go off tune as much as a clay Mridanga. So it's not going to fluctuate with the weather. Another thing is that you'll be able to adjust the sound. So you saw that the pitch was a little bit high at first, and so I was able to like lower the pitch on the big side as much as I liked, and I was surprised actually how low it got. And then yeah, another thing, if it rains or if it gets wet, that won't be a problem. The body's also fiberglass, so it's going to be pretty strong. It's going to be durable if you drop it or if you're traveling with it. It's going to be quite strong. And then this is over here. This part here is made out of thick plastic, so it feels quite solid by the look of it. So, yeah. Anyway, my first impressions, I really like it. I would say the cons, I would like maybe the case, the cover to be a little bit more like the Bengali traditional cases that you might see sometimes. So for me, personally, I like those a little more. And then I think the shape, it looks a little funny, but I think that sound makes up for the shape of the mridanga. So other than that, it's a smaller size mridanga, so it would be good for traveling. And it came with a nice case that I can use. The case, I would say the pro is that, you know, it fits the mridanga well, but it would be nice if it had like a mold that perfectly fit the mridanga so it wouldn't move around. So I think when I'm traveling with it, I'll probably put something in there, some cloth or some other material, so that it doesn't move around too much. And if you like this video, please give it a like, share it with your friends if you think someone might be interested. And again, another thing about this is that it's an Ahimsa mridanga, so everything about it is synthetic, there's no leather used, and a lot of the time mridangas made in India are made out of leather that comes from the slaughterhouse. So that's a real problem. These mridangas are completely vegan, and no animals were harmed in the process. So in order to support this project, I'm giving out free lessons to anyone in the West who purchases one of these mridangas. Anyone outside of India who purchases these mridangas, I will give one free lesson. So if you're interested, please email us at kirtanstudios@gmail.com. Thank you. Hare Krishna.